GPT4 is coming to change the world. Keep updated. Microsoft is once again making headlines with its upcoming upgrade to its AI tool, ChatGPT. According to Andreas Braun, Chief Technology Officer at Microsoft Germany, the new version, ChatGPT4, will allow users to create AI-generated videos from simple text prompts. Currently, ChatGPT is limited to text-based responses, but the upcoming upgrade will change that. ChatGPT4 will be built on multimodal models that offer a wide range of possibilities, including video creation. At a recent event, Microsoft explained that GPT-4 would be multimodal, meaning it will enable AI to translate a user's text into images, music, and video. This upgrade will provide users with a more diverse range of options and capabilities. One significant benefit of this upgrade is that call centers can use the AI program to automatically convert phone conversations between employees and customers into text. This feature will save time and resources by allowing employees to focus on their tasks instead of manually transcribing conversations. It is worth noting that Microsoft is not the first company to develop an AI-powered video creation tool. Meta launched Make a Video in 2022, which creates a video using text prompts. However, the upcoming ChatGPT4 promises to offer even more features and capabilities. Overall, this upgrade is a significant step forward for Microsoft's AI tool. With the addition of video creation, users will be able to generate more engaging content with ease. The integration of multimodal models will open up new possibilities for businesses, individuals, and content creators alike. It will be exciting to see how this new technology evolves and shapes the future of AI. Keep yourself updated and learn how to use GPT4 after its launch shortly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to learn more about this.